So by the time we got around the third revolution, by this time, we'd sort of saturated on the moon.
Oh my God, look at that picture over there. There's the Earth coming up. Wow, is that pretty. Hey, don't take that, it's not scheduled. You got a color film, Jim? Hand me a roll of color quick.
Oh man, that's
Hurry.
Where is it?
Quick.
And so here was something that was different, absolutely not briefed on. Nobody had told us on the ground that the Earth was going to come up. We had no photographic instructions, no light meter.
Down here?
Just grab me a color. A color exterior.
Here.
Anything, quick.
Here.
Okay.
Take several of them. Here, give it to me.
Wait a minute, let's get the right setting here. Okay, calm down, Mama.
Oh, I got it right. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. You sure we got it now?
Yeah, it'll come up again, I think.
And suddenly, here was this beautiful shot, only color in the universe. It would become the top 10 photograph of the 20th century. But of course, I'm the guy that took it. What else would I say?